everyone, I'm back again with short answer question number 3 workbook solution. Once again, advice to youth. Do check the next video for another solution. So how does Mark Twain tackle the issue of responsible handling of firearms? Again, the technique, how does he tackle? Technique क्या use किया गया है? In advice to youth, Mark Twain advises the youth not to handle firearms carelessly. Introductory statement मैंने quotation से begin किया है, जो introduction है. So if dangerous weapons fall in the hands of a tyro का मतलब untrained person, a novice. This is a new term. This can cause more havoc, more destruction than witnessed in wars. Wars में तो destruction होता है. Wars तो meaningless है. Wars lead to bloodshed, destruction, loss of precious lives. But if a novice, if an untrained person without any knowledge, with half knowledge, use these dangerous weapons, then this will cause more destruction. He mentions the incident, the technique now. How does he explain his point, his advice? He mentions the incident of a grandmother, quotation, one of the loveliest spirits in the land. वो कितने innocent थी, वो कितनी harmless थी. One of the loveliest spirits in the land being threatened by her young grandson, another innocent person, a young boy, her grandson, with an old battered rusty gun in a playful manner. खेल खेल में वो अपने जो दादी या नानी है उसे डरा रहा था. ठीक है. The old grey and sweet woman, देखो sweet, loveliest, these words are used in order to highlight the irony. The woman was terrified and the boy placed the gun almost against her very breast and pulled the trigger. The gun was not loaded and no harm was done. So this was the incident. ये हुआ था एक बार. However, it is the only case, again irony, use of irony. तो उस केस में ग्रैंडमदर ग्रैंडसन के केस में कुछ नहीं हुआ, हार्म नहीं हुआ क्योंकि वो गन लोडेड नहीं था. मगर बार बार ये नहीं होता है. And this is in fact ironically the only case of that kind जहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हुआ. Mark Twain has ever heard of. Thus, by using such caricature images, critical comment, he emphasizes on the damage done by irresponsible handling of firearms. So, here we have caricature images, humor. Caricature, humor के लिए add किया जाता है. Humor. Firearms are the most deadly, quotation, and unerring things that have ever been created by man. And this is a critique. यहाँ पे वो क्या criticize कर रहे हैं, किसको expose कर रहे हैं, किस चीज को? Of hoarding of weapons and meaninglessness of war since time immemorial. It is important thus that old unloaded firearms must not be meddled with and used in an impulsive manner. So he is using irony, he is using caricature, and he is also using humor in order to tackle with this issue. And now the conclusion. Mark Twain mentions Waterloo. Also, Battle of Waterloo, क्या होता अगर Waterloo में कुछ young people without any knowledge इन firearms को, इन weapons को use कर देते तो क्या होता? और destruction होता. So Waterloo is also mentioned to highlight to bring out the irony, the suggestiveness. To tackle with the issue with irony, critical comment, humor, satire, thereby suggesting, suggestion भी है, half-baked knowledge may spell doom. तो irony, humor, satire के साथ साथ we have suggestion. Again the introduction मैंने जो learn करने के लिए कहा था, suggestion क्या है? half-baked knowledge किसी चीज के बारे में may spell doom. So this is the end of the third answer, short answer question. And log in once again, come back to me once again for short answer question number 4 workbook solution. Till then, take care and bye.